Welcome to SimpleMadeSimple.com. Now we are going to see the Rule 5 of degrees of comparison. When we compare things or objects or persons, the adjectives change in form. These forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. When we compare 2 objects or persons, it comes under the comparative degree. And when we compare an object or a person with more than 2 objects, it comes under the superlative category. Before going into Rule 5, we'll just have a recap from Rule 1 to 4. The Rule 1 is for one-syllable words like kind, smart, which makes a single sound when pronounced. For those words, you should add ER to form the comparative degree and EST to form the superlative degree. So for Rule 2, when the positive word ends in E, you should form the comparative by adding R and the superlative by adding ST to the positive degree. Rule 3, when the positive word ends with Y, for example, happy, you should cut out the Y and you should add IER to the comparative and IEST for the superlative: happy, happier, and happiest. Rule number 4, when the positive is a one-syllable word like big, B-I-G, big, the vowel here is I and is followed by a consonant G. You should double the consonant B-I-G-G and you should add ER for comparative and B-I-G-G-E-S-T to form the superlative. And rule number 5 is for 2-syllable words. You should add more to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. So let us see some examples. First word is beautiful, which is a 3-syllable word. So you should add more beautiful to form the comparative and most beautiful to form the superlative. Sarah is beautiful. Sarah is more beautiful than Sheila. Sarah is the most beautiful girl. And don't forget to add than for comparative and the for superlative. The most beautiful. Second example, courageous, more courageous, and most courageous. Peter is a courageous man. Peter is more courageous than Paul. Peter is the most courageous man. Difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. The puzzle was difficult. This puzzle is more difficult than the previous one. This maze is the most difficult of all. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. I met an industrious man. Louis is a more industrious man than Daniel. Donna is the most industrious staff at the office. Important, more important, most important. That is an important meeting. This question is more important than that. This is the most important question of all. Expensive, 3-syllable word, more expensive, most expensive. The purse was expensive. Gold is more expensive than diamond. Diamonds are the most expensive of all. So that's it with rule number 5. Do check in my other videos for more rules on degrees of comparison. And do check out my website SimpleMadeSimple.com for more grammar topics. Thank you.